Are you looking for the best studio microphones in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best studio microphones that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, ZINGYOU Condenser BM800 Mic Bundle, Kit with Adjustable Mic for Studio Broadcasting and Recording. The ZINGYOU Condenser BM800 microphone is a perfect microphone for you, and it usually accompanies with a lot of important accessories. It has ultra-low self-noise, which means you will simply capture clear and clean audio. This condenser can handle more than 2 decibels SPL, hence you are self-assured that even if you are in front of a loud guitar cabinet, the recording will not distort because of overload. The mic usually accompanies with an XLR cable, a pop screen, a shock mount, a dust cover, and more. At number 4, Neewer Northwest 800 Recording Microphone Set and Professional Studio Broadcasting. This professional studio microphone set is certainly one of the decent sets of the microphone in the market, and it is less costly. It additionally accompanies with all the equipment in order to make the recording sound very detailed and lively. The quality or the sound is incredible too. Whenever you are searching to utilize a microphone that is intended vocal recordings, this is the correct choice for you. It can be adjusted easily and have a standard stand for the mic. The mic set is actually a perfect vocal mic that is accessible at a low cost. Because the microphone contains a pattern that is omnidirectional, it has a capacity of picking up the sound from different directions. At number 3, Audio-Technica Large Diaphragm at 2035 Studio Microphone Condenser. The at 2035 Audio Large Diaphragm Condenser microphone provides you a perfect performance, and it's a pocket-friendly product. The at 2035 have 80 Hz switchable high-pass filter and also 10 decibels pad. It usually accompanies with a protective pouch and a custom shock mount. It's a perfect decision for everything from pro studios to live and project applications. The mic provides you a natural and smooth sound quality, and its capacity to handle high-quality levels of sound pressure that makes it valuable on a wide range of sources of sound. At number 2, Blue Microphones Ice Snowball with Arm and Pop Filter Black Microphone. It's not simple to get a quality sound for your audio recordings at your home, office, or at any place. But with Snowball microphones, Ice with USB gives the best audio quality that is recorded on your computer. The custom capsule cardioid condenser provides a clear audio for recording, creating and communicating. The Snowball Ice microphones are Skype certified, hence you are certain to have great sounding outcomes, and is usually accompanies with USB cable and an adjustable microphone stand for a desktop. It also works well automatically with your PC and Mac. It does not require drivers to be installed. At number 1, TONOR Professional Condenser Studio Microphone. This TONOR condenser has 3.5mm XRL condenser for a vocal microphone that has a gold plate diaphragm capsule. It has a great polar cardioid pickup pattern, low self-noise function, and high output. This microphone can precisely give the most refined sound. The microphone is appropriate particularly for studios, broadcasting, recording, etc. It accompanies with shock mount that is created using hard metal and efficiently decreases trill produced by vibration. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.